And then I am going to send you the link in WhatsApp now. Okay, there. So you can see our conversation on YouTube Live.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Yeah, I see it right now.
you can also um, we also read your calendar. So any meetings that you have, if they're a Teams meeting, a WebEx meeting, a Zoom meeting, we manage those meetings and listen to what's going on in there and turn them into stories. Let me add, so I can add people. Ahmed. Oh, it happened. Um, that's strange. Huh. Okay, that they have to fix that. Anyhow, okay. So let's. So what I would like to do is I would like your help in taking this movie that we have on that I'll send you with all the raw data. Let me just call Ahmed and see why I can't get him on. So I have Ahmed in Pakistan, who has been working on this project for a long time.
Ah, okay, okay.
I have people in the UAE, in Egypt, in Australia. A lot of my
Nice.
team is here in the US. Um, Hey, Ahmed. I am on the phone with an animator storyteller, and I wanted to bring you into this call. And so I thought I would be able to type your name in. I'm in. Do I have to add you to the space if I type? Oh, there you are. Okay, I'm adding you to. Let's see. No. Let me go into Slack and show you what I'm seeing. I'll call you on Slack. Okay. Okay. I'm not sure what's going on. Um, doo-doo-doo. So this is the advantage of having multiple things. So I am on the phone with somebody who can you hear me okay, Ahmed? Yep, I can. Okay, so I am on the phone with Dare. Here he is. He is sitting in beautiful Kazakhstan.
Hello.
And hi.
Greetings from Kazakhstan.
So it's cool that you guys can hear each other because I called you on Slack and he's on Better. Uh, um, and I'm trying to add you to the call, Ahmed, just now. So I invited you to the call. It's a scheduled meeting. Do you see something in your calendar? One sec. Let me just see. So there, while you were waiting, so some of the other things that Better can do is you could follow me through the story. So your
Hmm.
agent is going to basically go through a story and tell you what's going on, and you're basically following that person through that story,
Hmm.
and then you
Got it.
can stop following them. Um, and did you get it, Ahmed? No? I think so. I'm just joining one of the. Oh yes, you did. Okay, perfect. So yeah, you should be in it. Okay, let me shut off WhatsApp, Slack rather.
Uh, okay, I'm gonna turn my video on. Just give me 1 second.
Yeah, sure. Okay, let me shut off WhatsApp, Slack rather. Yeah, sure. Okay, let me shut off WhatsApp, Slack rather. Okay, I'm gonna turn my video on. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, sure. Okay. Let me shut off WhatsApp, Slack rather. Yeah, sure. So the idea is that you can add people to your meetings. You can test this out yourself. The agent will be, so the other cool thing that we did, let me show you something. This is going to be very neat. Oh, there you are. How did you do that with the background? Is that something your camera does?
It's the background on
Oh,
the Mac.
okay. So, Dare, where are you in Kazakhstan? Which city?
Almaty.
Is
It's former capital of Kazakhstan. It's located in the southern part of Kazakhstan. Yeah, it's a beautiful city with mountains surrounded.
what is it?
Yeah,
What is it called? What is it called?
Almaty. Almaty.
Oh,
It's
oh, Almaty. Yeah, that's.
Almaty. Oh, sorry, Almaty. Yeah,
I'm sorry, Almaty, and that's in Kazakhstan. Uh,
yeah.
I've
Almaty.
seen really beautiful mountain places in Pakistan online.
yeah.
Yes, yes,
They are in my
yes.
wish list as well.
Yes, very beautiful mountains, but I I've been there only one time last year.
Oh, that you went out like
Yeah, because
you're like every other person who lives in a beautiful place. You never see it.
yes, yes. Usually my calendar is the following. I am going to work and come back to home, and that's it.
Got it. Got it. What we're doing is we're building. So this board that you're seeing on the screen is will allow an agent to create programs for you. So if you have an existing software program, you'll
Mhm,
tell better, here is the APIs, here is the movie, these are the use cases, and it will make the specification story in here.
mhm,
And then this is the design and the user experience for building the cards and building all these things. So it says, oh, here's the icons and here's the, these are all the design elements. And so, that's basically.
mhm. Okay. So, um, what shall I do for you? How can I help you?
So what
Um,
you can
yeah.
do is you can take the first story, and I need it on a short. Amit, do you have the YouTube short? I'm going to copy you and Dare on the same message. I want Dare to. I need to show the investors. So on Sunday night and Monday, I have meetings where I want to show these videos. So let me just type. Let me add you in here. Uh, uh, do you see his contact information on here?
Me?
Just can you WhatsApp a group between us? Just a second.
Okay. Um, I will just create WhatsApp with you and Josh. Let me just see if I have access to your email. So
Yes.
I joined from Outlook, and there is this email called karakiv28@gmail.com.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
26, yeah?
Yeah, 26.
Yeah,
That's right.
26, yeah. Oh, it's okay.
Okay. And for WhatsApp, can you? Okay, I'll just write it down your number right away
Yeah.
because um, let me just place this window to my Mac. 1 second.
Mhm.
Why is my camera not responding? Okay, so you can just, what's the country code?
Kazakhstan.
Is it +9 something?
Plus 7.
+7. Oh,
And I'll.
and what's your contact number? +7.
+7 702.
772.
No. +7
Mm,
702
702
801
801
28
28
20.
20.
Ah,
Okay.
yeah.
I'll add you to WhatsApp group with Josh.
Okay.
Sorry, Josh. What were you saying?
No. I wasn't saying anything. I'm just adding him to my contacts now. Sorry, I didn't know how long it was going to take there. Sync it to my iPhone, add him, and then I can also we can create a chat. So is there a Russian name, or is it a Kazakhstani name, or?
It has many several originations. I don't know what's true or what's not true. First one is Arabic. Yeah. Second one is a Turk. And third one I do not remember. Sorry. But yeah, one meaning of my name is like how it be in English? Sorry, just 1 second. Monastery.
Oh, that's wow.
I don't know.
That's an
I don't know
interesting
why.
male name. That's a very interesting male name.
Yes, I don't know why it's monastery. I don't know. So sorry.
Let me add you to this group. Add to group. Where is this? Come on. So I'm going to add a member. Okay, so I'm adding DAIR. And it's Kharkiv, which I know that word.
Yeah.
Is that where your family's from?
No. My family.
Okay.
Yes, my family is from Kyrgyzstan. It's
Oh, yeah, I know
yes,
Kyrgyzstan. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
neighboring country.
Have you been to Turkmenistan?
No, I have never been to Turkmenistan, but I wish to go there.
It looks like a fascinating place. This, very different place. Okay, so I added you to betrStudio.
Okay.
And so what I want to do is make you an administrator here. So make you a group admin. I'm going to make you a group admin. And Ahmed's got one too. So Ahmed is background is in UX design. Your background is in what? Do you have any? What other things have you done besides video and storytelling type of skills?
My background is finance and economics, and yeah.
Oh, perfect. Oh, I am very, very happy. So you're perfect to tell the story of the new economy. So I'll tell you what so Ahmed, if you can add to the group there some of the work you've done so that he can see. Like the reason why I called him on and looked him up on LinkedIn, Ahmed, is because of this thing called Jackpot that he wrote this movie called Jackpot, and it was so well done, the animation, the storyline, the content for it, and I'm like, wow, I need to talk to this guy.
Oh,
So
wow.
it was
Can you guys
really well
share
done.
anything of that in the group?
Yeah, so I'm going to ask him to add it. So, and I'm thinking because when you tell a video story like that of I thought it was very engaging. Obviously, what I'm asking you to do is more realistic, but it's a projection of the future in a different way. But you did such a great job of it. I remember, when a story stays with you and you saw it a while ago and you're filled with so many stories all the time. So it's the story of a tree, as you'll see, and it's a story of the of how the future can be a big mess or great. So it's
Yeah.
funny that you use a tree, because a tree, nothing like my background here, but a tree is. Are you familiar with how trees communicate with each other?
Um, no,
No?
not
Okay.
exactly. No,
So
no.
trees have used something called mycelium, which are like related to mushrooms, so that if
Ah,
one tree gets infected, they all
uh-huh.
communicate with each other. In other words,
Yeah, yeah.
trees are like one big organism
Mhm.
with different trees communicating with each other. Bless you. With different
Thank you.
trees communicate. So it's a perfect analogy. That's essentially the difference between what humans do today, where everybody's siloed and broken, and now what we want to do is collective intelligence and bring everybody together. So I'm sorry, I'm just talking about something very different, but the story is that everything in our world is created through an underpinning of math. So obviously
Hmm.
we're made of atoms, and so the mathematics that underpins atoms is what keeps you alive. It's the
Hmm.
quantum entanglement that's there. And so what we're trying to do is build is extract the knowledge from the day-to-day communications, put it into a structured format of a story, and and then make that there. Oh, you're there twice. Oh. Anyway, so let's share with him the video that we did on the knee replacement that you did. I think you shared it with me on WhatsApp.
Yeah,
Um,
just looking into it 1 second.
uh, it was. I think it was this one. Um, yeah, it was this one. Okay, so I will put this in the chat.
Did you find it?
I think so. Yeah. betrStudios. And
Yep.
so, and I am. So there's a lot of videos that I need, but the focus is around creating the statement of work. Let's pull this together in. See if I can do it in Claude, because I've been educating Claude lately. Um, and I'll send you this as well. This will help you understand the a little bit of the economics and the structure of how everything works.
Hmm.
Let me download this. Okay. Okay. Copy path, and then let me also invite. Oh, sorry. Can you open that okay? That
Yep.
Better Angel one? Let me add Anna Gong. There must be an easy way to just add people.
Okay, I need some time to read this.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, so you can absorb that and
Mhm.
understand. It's not perfect it's not everything. It's just something I was um, working on this afternoon to explain it, but but it'll start to get you familiar with the idea. But
Yeah.
so the theme that I think we need like a theme that will be consistent throughout the process, and I believe that the theme is going to be a is really let me see if I can just do is really like a halo or a loop. Let me, so I'm just doing something quickly to, let's say we have a ring, and I use this ring to because I'm calling the AI assistant that builds the story
Mhm.
an angel. So so it would be uh, there's a better angel. That's basically your AI assistant.
Mhm.
Then it is the better story is the interactive media that that an angel, my angel, your angel, tells you
Mhm.
about the project. So you have the angel, you have your better project, which is like the book
Mhm.
with all the details on my knee injury or my borscht,
Mhm.
J-U. So I'm dyslexic, so jury. Uh, um, then you have, and you'll get familiar with it. You got your better story. That's what, and your better story builds an interactive movie
Mhm.
of of what happens. So for example, I go to social media,
Mhm.
and when I go to let me see if I can go to my YouTube account here. So when I go to, but oh, this is very old. Um, this is 5 years old, but you can see this is the one of the technologies we created that uses some capabilities of the mobile phone to make you kind of invisible, so you can like teach a class in Kazakhstan on a whiteboard, and all the students can participate in the
Are
in.
you sharing something?
Oh, I'm so
Yeah,
sorry.
I cannot
I'm
see
sorry.
also.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I apologize. I thought I was sharing. What am I doing? Oh, apologies. So, so essentially, what? Oh, and copy link.
I'm so sorry, Josh and Ahmed. I have only 10 minutes left because I need to go to sleep. It's almost midnight.
Okay,
So
no worries.
yeah,
So let me write up a script for you.
yeah,
We'll send you the we sent you the I sent you the video. Do you see the video
yes,
on that?
yes,
And then can you also send him the videos of the I mean, I'll send you the other videos that we have of the rest of the knee injury issues. Those movies that you just saw a moment ago. I'll find the you know the
All right. Oh no.
all that these videos that I showed you. I'll send you the PowerPoint and I'll make sure I get you all of the videos.
great.
And your challenge is how much you can get done before Sunday, and then to tell the story of how the agent will work. And what I need to do is I need to talk to you when you've got, maybe tomorrow, when after your what's your availability this weekend? So I just know if it's even possible to get anything done.
Yeah, this is the first question
Yeah,
to
I'm sorry.
start. No, it's okay. It's okay because yeah, you have a very great project, but unfortunately, I'm very busy till this week, till the end of this week, because I'm currently working on one project, AI project. I'm making the short commercial for one company, and also I'm working separately in my own project right now, a new short film, which I'm going to post it as soon as possible. And also, there is one AI festival which will hold place in Kazakhstan. And the deadline of making a short there is till the end of the August, and that is why I think that will be a problem with my availability. I'm not mentioning my my main work
Yes,
when I'm
please.
working as a yes when I'm working at like full-time job, and after full-time job I'm coming back to home and have a rest and etc. And after that working on AI projects, and that is why I'm not sure that I will be available this weekend to write some story and yeah,
Who can you? I'm looking to build a community,
yeah.
because there's going to be many different projects. Do you have anyone who can work on something urgently that you know of that you trust?
Urgently. It
Or
should
where I
be the person with the. What are the qualities, like personal characteristics of this person should be?
so I want to it's almost like a commercial advertisement, but what I'm trying to do is tell a story with like the videos that you saw, where it's really about the intelligence of the person. They really need to know the fact that you understand economics and you understand what I was talking about,
Yeah.
and start to understand it. That's probably the biggest problem to get over for me. It's just to have a conversation with people. What I think I need to do is have a group call where I invite a community to the call, and I am basically going to be building their profile. So it's all about how do I make their money in the future. So I'm trying to give you this platform
Yeah.
that will
Yeah.
allow you to become successful and help contribute to it.
Hmm.
So
Josh, yes, I have a interesting idea. I don't know whether you like it or not, but I have a nephew. He is currently working in USA, in Ohio. As
okay,
far as as far as I remember, he's working in Ohio, and he is engineer, IT engineer. So, and he's very smart guy, and then maybe so, and he originally was born in Kazakhstan,
Okay.
and yeah, and he studied in New Jersey University.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, and moved to Ohio, and he's currently working in one IT company. I do not know what is the name of the company,
Okay.
but yes, he very like he has very flexible, like mind,
So
and
he can
yes,
think in the multi dimensions. He can be creative out of the box and also
I,
down in, like you, like in the economics and structured world.
yes, and but I do not know whether it is good fit to you,
Okay.
but at least you can like speak with him, maybe trying to find some like how to say it.
Is he an animator? Does but he doesn't have your skills for animation and storytelling.
No, unfortunately, no. That is why I
Yeah,
said that
he may not be.
maybe.
I need somebody who you would be. What I want you to do is to run a film festival, a Better Studio festival, just like the one you're doing in Kazakhstan, but it will be international, and it will be a contest on telling the story, the economy of 2030. You're going to be working on the economics of 2030. What is it like to live in a city in Kazakhstan in 2030 where you're going to get a credit card and an ID? You can walk into any store and you're earning points. You're contributing knowledge and it's going into your collective knowledge network. You are simulating exactly what the experience is going to be, where you have a mobile phone, you have your ID, you are, and you're talking to your future for the next 5 years is going to be you, your mobile device speaking to it. I need to throw a party for my daughter. I need to solve this medical problem for this person. I need to build an economic report for this person. Your In other words, the future is really about how you're making your AI angel smarter and how you're teaching it to do the future. So it's about building the movies that explain this future economy. So I need to create a film festival that will have thousands of stories for the better doctor, the better lawyer, the better restaurant, the better hotel, the better city, the better event, the better stuff. And it's going to show how that future is going to look.
Yeah, it's gonna be very great idea to make this festival, to take the stories in order to develop like a platform, because currently there are a lot of festivals running globally among the AI creators. So, but in these festivals there is a less cash prize, and people are how to say, stimulated by um, opportunity to win the first, second, or third place, and that is why it's a good idea. Yes, but
So, so
yeah,
what we're going to do is we have all these websites. So Better 2030 is a contest for predicting the future. For I'm going to give you the design template of what that might look like, and then people will create the stories of how that, so that they're engaging stories in social media that tell the story of a person who is, and it's a character, just like you're creating a television show, but it's like 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute little episodes of
yeah,
what it's like for Dimitri to live in Moscow with as a better doctor.
yeah. Why not? Yes, I need to think about it, and I need to read your document that you sent me, and to watch a website, and yes, and maybe there will be other maybe ideas
Yes.
that will come to my mind. So, but yeah, I need to think because there is a lot of information right now.
I'm
Sorry.
sorry about that. I'm guilty of
No,
fire
it's okay.
hosting people.
It's okay. It's okay. Yes, I feel your passion. So that is why, yes, I understand you completely because I'm a creator of the films, short films, AI films, and I also have such a passion in my own projects, and that is why I understand you completely.
I feel it, and I was so impressed, and hopefully we'll share that amongst our community. But we're building a new community, and I'm trying to build the most successful investment fund in history. So I think we can
Mhm.
build something that will be financially worth a lot of money and be the new currency. And it's not based upon dollars; it's based upon your points and recognition. You can get dollars, but the value is going to be how can you live in a better city anywhere in the world? That's the objective.
Yeah. I understand. So I need to read the article. I need to understand it completely. Maybe you have some other, like
Yeah,
the presentation that you showed me. Yeah, you can share it. I will read it, everything, and come back to you. But unfortunately, the timing is not
no
good.
worries.
Yes.
It's great to meet you. Connect me with your nephew. I'll just to connect them, and we'll have classes, and people can come online and learn how to do story coding.
Why
And
not? Why not? Because he's very talented. Yes, maybe you will find something in him. I don't know, but yeah, he 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 can share you one story about himself, but let it be like in a secret till the moment when he will speak with you. Maybe he will share it with you, and it will be very interesting. I think for you, especially for the person who is living in USA.
awesome.
Yes.
Spasiba. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was a great pleasure. Thank you for your kind words. Thank you for the idea. Let me read it. Let me think about it. I will share my nephew's telephone with you. Maybe
You're
you
now
can
part
speak
of
with him.
betrStudios, my friend. So you're number two
Yeah.
inside of here.
Thank
Be
you. Thank you
well.
so much.
До свидания. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.